Being a summoner is great. That's a great day to rob people. Time to go look for some easy prey. Oh yeah.
Traveling far today?
Oh, no, not far. Just gonna go
Are you
get
a
some...
bailiff?
Yeah, I'm kind of a bailiff. Let's go with that.
Really?
Yeah.
Me too, friend.
Oh, yeah, best friends.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. So, what's your name, friend?
I'm from hell, but if you really want to know my name, I can tell you.
Sure, why not? Tell me your name.
I'm the devil.
Wait, what?
I'm the devil. Don't forsake me.
Why would I forsake you? We're best friends.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go rob this old lady that I know of. Let's go.
Really? Come
Yeah.
on, let's go.
Dang it, horse. Why won't you move? I wish the devil would take you.
Did you hear that? He said he can have it.
Even God knows that's not what he means.
What? I just... Ugh.
No.
This is where the old lady lives.
Okay.
Come out, you old hag.
Who's there?
It's the summoner.
I'm the devil.
Why are you here?
You've been summoned to church for your sins.
But I'm an old lady and I've been sick. I don't have any sins.
Well, you can come with me to church, or you can give me 12 pence, and I'll acquit you of your sins.
But like I said, I'm an old lady. I've been sick. I don't have any money. Don't you have any sympathy for me?
You can give me 12 pence, or you can give me that pot right there.
I'm not gonna give you 12 pence or my pot.
Well,
Who do
then-
you think you are?
I'm the summoner. You gotta come to church with me.
You deserve to go to hell.
Did you hear that? Your soul and the pot are mine.
What? No!
You're going to hell with me.
I thought